To a survey, everyone in 5 women suffers from PCOS. PCOS affects 4 to 20% of women worldwide. But what is PCOS and what are its symptoms? Well, who can answer this question better than a gynec? So let's know about it from an MD gynec with 18 years of experience and expertise in the field of gynecology, Dr. Rakhi Patel, a reputed consultant gynecologist at First Women's Hospital Anand and an ex-associate professor of Sri Krishna Hospital, Karaksar. He has been awarded for Best Paper Presentation in national conferences and has attended many gynecological conferences as chairperson.
It's a privilege to have you, ma'am, with us on the subject expert. What is PCOS?
PCOS is a very common hormonal imbalance in the females, in which the male hormones present in the females called androgens, they increase, and that results in decreased formation of the eggs in the females, and this condition is known as PCOS. PCOS basically is a hormonal disturbance which is very common nowadays even in India, जिसमें हम फीमेल्स की बॉडी के जो हॉर्मोन्स हैं वो चेंज हो जाते हैं, देयर इज अ इम्बैलेंस, और ये एक हेरिडिटरी कंडीशन है जिसमें बहुत सारे सिम्टम्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से पीरियड्स की तकलीफ होती है, थोड़े हॉर्मोन्स डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं, जैसे इंसुलिन और एंड्रोजन्स जैसे हॉर्मोन्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं फीमेल्स के बॉडी में. सो बेसिकली इट इज़ अ मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम in the females.
And ma'am, what is difference between PCOS and PCOD?
PCOS का फुल फॉर्म है पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम एंड PCOD इज पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिजीज. तो हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि पहले PCOD होता है, उसके बाद सालों बाद PCOS होता है. मतलब माइल्डर फॉर्म इज PCOD, वो अगर करेक्ट ना हो तो ग्रेजुअली बॉडी के सारे सिस्टम्स में ये हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस की इफ़ेक्ट होती है जिसके वजह से पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम्स होते हैं. ये जो सिंड्रोम है बॉडी के सभी सिस्टम को अफेक्ट करते हैं. पीसीओडी में सिर्फ ओवरीज एनलार्ज होती है, एनोवुलेशन होता है, और साथ में जो सोनोग्राफी होती है उसमें छोटे छोटे इमेच्योर एग्स दिखते हैं, प्लस एंड्रोजन्स बढ़ जाते हैं. धीरे धीरे जब ये पीसीओडी बढ़ता है और पीसीओएस में कन्वर्ट होता है तो बॉडी के दूसरे सारे सिस्टम्स जैसे डायबिटीज़ डेवलप हो सकता है, हार्ट डिजीज़ डेवलप हो सकता है, ब्लड प्रेशर आ सकता है, यूट्रस की लाइनिंग का कैंसर जिसको हम एंडोमेट्रियम कैंसर बोल सकते हैं. तो ग्रेजुअली इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ सिंड्रोम व्हिच इज अफेक्टिंग द होल बॉडी एंड दैट इज पीसीओएस.
So what are its causes, ma'am?
यूजुअली द एग्जैक्ट कॉज इज नॉट येट नोन, पता नहीं है, लेकिन इट इज़ जेनेटिक, उसका एक जीन है. तो यूजुअली इट रन्स इन फैमिलीज. प्लस नाउअडेज वो क्यों बढ़ रहा है? बिकॉज द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ द यंग गर्ल्स एडोलेसेंट्स हैव चेंज्ड आफ्टर मोबाइल्स, आफ्टर स्पेशली कोरोना. सो नाउ देयर इज मोर sedentary लाइफस्टाइल. तो उसके वजह से प्लस देयर इज लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन इन द यूथ, and this is causing a lot of stress, and this has resulted in some hormonal imbalance. So it is very common nowadays in the adolescents.
Okay, and what are its symptoms?
Symptoms usually, earlier symptoms are weight gain, there may be menstrual irregularities, जैसे every 2.5 months, 1.5 महीने पे periods आते हैं, जब आते हैं तब बहुत flow आता है, plus sometimes there may be some abnormal hair growth. In case of females, there is a male distribution of hair growth, okay, plus weight gain. So all these are certain symptoms of PCOS.
So what are the treatment available right now in India for PCOS?
PCOS basically cannot be cured, but we can delay its progression and we can decrease the severity. So अगर the patient is more concerned regarding the pregnancy conception, then we can give her ovulation induction agents. There is a group of drugs which makes the eggs in the ovaries, and such PCOS females may conceive with these ovulation induction agents. Plus the other metabolic part, the syndrome part, has to be treated not by medicines but by change in the lifestyle. We have to be more active, proactive, we have to do some form of exercise, yoga, all these will help along with the drugs for PCOS.
So according to you, how can a girl prevent from it?
So nowadays we should always encourage all young girls to involve in some form of exercises, at least 30 minutes of exercise in a day. Plus they should avoid diets, junk food. The whole group of carbonated drinks and the junk food should be avoided. We should advise regular sleep and regular schedule so that they can maintain a circadian rhythm or the biological clock of the body, and there is no hormonal imbalance due to this. It can be treated.
Okay, ma'am. So is it PCOS curable?
PCOS is not 100% curable, but we have to start, accepting that this is a part of our body, and accordingly we should adapt and change our lifestyle so that it doesn't cause more severity and it doesn't affect many organ systems of the body. So we have to do exercises, we have to avoid junk foods, we should take nutritious diet, proper rest, avoid stress. So all these things will help in the further progression of the disease. It is not curable. PCOS is not curable.
Okay, ma'am. So according to a survey, out of every 5 women, one woman is suffering from PCOS. So what has it effect on mental and health of the female?
So recently many studies have been conducted and it has been shown that girls and young adolescents suffering from PCOS, they have more eating disorders, they are more suffering from anxiety, depression. So definitely it is affecting the mental health of the girls and they require some help, counseling for further management of their stress.
Is there any particular age for occurrence of PCOS?
So nowadays the age of PCOS has shifted and it is seen in younger girls. Earlier it was seen around 18-20 years, but now the earliest cases have been reported even at 10 years. So now it has been seen that the trend is more at around 12-13 years PCOS start developing.
So it can be found in girl aged between 13 to 45.
Yeah.
Like menstruating girls are the target of this.
Yes.
PCOS.
Yes.
So why are periods irregular in PCOS?
Basically in PCOS, the ovary, normally physiologically in a normal female, every month the egg is formed and this egg is released at around 14 days of the cycle. But in PCOS, such egg is not formed and there is no release of any ova. And because of this, there is no ovulation. And as there is no ovulation, the whole hormones get disturbed. There is an imbalance and this results in irregular cycle.
So how you can find or what are the tests you conduct to know if the girl is suffering from PCOS or not?
So there are 2 or 3 investigations which we should do. First thing is the sonography, and in sonography the ovaries, right ovary as well as the left ovary would be bulky. The volume of the ovary would be more than 10 cc. Plus there would be multiple small follicles seen in the ovary on the sonography, which is called as a necklace pearl pattern. So on sonography we get these features and there is no dominant follicle, so no ovulation. So all these features are on sonography. Plus there are certain blood tests, so certain hormonal tests, like we can do the levels of androgens, we can do the level of the FSH, levels of LH, and all these together will suggest that the girl is having PCOS. There is also insulin resistance seen, which can be detected on blood.
So is there any vaccine available for it
No, there is no vaccine.
that can prevent from PCOS?
No, the only vaccine is to be active. That is the only vaccine.
Only
Otherwise, there is
exercise and all.
exercise and you have to be active. Sedentary lifestyle always promotes the progression of PCOS.
So this PCOS stays for life now
Yes,
till you live.
yes. And you always have to be on your toes to prevent its further fast progression.
So, ma'am, there are some myths regarding PCOS. So, first is it reduces lifespan.
No, that is not true. If PCOS basically doesn't affect or alter the lifespan, it is a myth.
Does it looks the breast look small?
Yeah, to some extent, in females who have got severe variety of PCOS, the female body has more of male hormones called androgens. And in such females, the breast size may be smaller as compared to their normal counterpart.
There is also an unethical myth that marriage cures PCOS.
No, that is not true. With age, the PCOS progresses whether the female marries or not, so it has got no relation with marriage.
Okay. And a woman with PCOS can't get pregnant.
Yeah, they have difficulty in getting pregnant, but when I would advise that all the females who know that they have PCOS, they should actually start conceiving immediately after their marriage, so that they at young age, before 30 years, they will need certain medicines so that they can get pregnant.
So they have to get medication.
Medical
Then
help.
only they can get
Yes,
pregnant.
yes. They need if it's a milder variety, then they may conceive after 1 or 2 years spontaneously. But if the variety is moderate to severe, usually they would require medical help. But they do conceive. So it is not that they never would get pregnant.
So they can get pregnant.
Timely treatment
Otherwise,
and diagnosis.
otherwise it cannot inherited from mother to child. It's a genetic.
Yeah, so timely diagnosis and treatment is the key to conception in PCOS.
Okay. And the women with PCOS don't need any contraceptive.
No, that is not true. Even especially in PCOS, sometimes the ovulation is irregular. So sometimes the female is menstruating every 1.5 to 2 months, and she may be under the impression that the delayed periods are because of the PCOS, but actually she may have got pregnant. So every female or every couple, they definitely should use some method of contraception to avoid pregnancy in PCOS, or else there would be a unexpected pregnancy.
Okay, ma'am. It was nice to get this so much of knowledge regarding PCOS.
Thank you so much, Natasha.
Thank you for giving your precious time. Thank you so much.